Okay.
Alright. Sorry, North Korea. Okay, hello everybody. My name is Orion. I'm from America. I'm from Mie. So I just bought two things at Akihabara, if that's how you say it. And he asked me to show you these. So I have two things. One is Kirby. Kirby is my favorite. It's probably one of the first like Japanese culture things I had as a kid. And I think he is extremely cute. So we're gonna do that. And we also have I'm really into coffee, and where I live in Mie, all the coffee shops have this key coffee. I don't know why, but they do. So let's get this open. Okay. Thank you for the knife. Okay. So, why did I come to Tokyo? I came to Tokyo because why not? Everybody loves Tokyo, and there's always something to do in Tokyo. No matter what time of year you come to Tokyo, you will find something to do. And also because it's the coronavirus right now, and there's not a lot of foreign tourists. So, now this is a gacha, actually, so hopefully I get the sign. I really want the sign. No, I didn't get the sign! Ah, I got the little... I got the chair! I got the chair! Okay, that's okay. I guess. That's okay.
Well, it's cute.
It is cute. Ah, I wanted the sign, but this is these are like the typical chairs that you get in these coffee shops. I think this is like the chairs that they have in Hoshino's coffee shop, or maybe even what is it? Komeda's coffee. You always have these chairs. I wanted the sign, but it's okay. So, but this one for Kirby. Maybe we'll put him on a little chair. But for Kirby, I like all of these characters, so I won't be disappointed. Hopefully. So like I was saying, there's always something to do in Tokyo. It's kind of like Los Angeles or San Diego in that no matter what time of year, there's always something for everybody. And it's very safe. Tokyo is a very safe place. And safe as in your travel plans, there's always going to be something to do. You'll never be bored. Okay. Come on, Kirby. Okay, oh, I messed up the box. Okay, hold on. Ugh. So, in Akihabara, you can buy basically anything you could ever want. So I encourage you to go. Okay, we're just gonna rip them out. Ah. Okay, I got the one I wanted. The little eyeball boy. Yeah! So, I don't actually know who this is, but I remember this from my childhood. You can even put him on the chair. No, you can't. Cheers, Japan. That's it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it
okay. Cheers.
Thank you for watching.